First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see 10 mixed arithmetic questions. And this is one of the video from today's daily practice playlist. And let's get start with question number 1. Here, Param and Sunil together can complete a work in 8 days. Saying that Param and Sunil can complete the work in 8 days. Sunil alone can take 50% more days to complete the work alone than the time taken by Param and Sunil together. Saying that 50% more means 50% means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 more means 3 by 2. Talking about Sunil. Sunil is 3 by 2 of both Param and Sunil. So these two parts is nothing but Param and Sunil. This 3 part is only by Sunil. 2 parts value is 4 means 8 means 2 into 4 times will be 8. So 3 into 4 times which will be 12. So Sunil can complete the work in 12 days. Now the question asked is find the number of days taken by Param to complete the work alone. We have Param plus Sunil value is here. Sunil value is here. Now we need to find the value of Param. How we do is multiplication of these two and place difference between these two which is in the denominator. So for 2 times 12 2 times 24 which is the value for Param. So Param can complete the work in 24 days. This is the answer. So answer will be option B. Next, second question. Manpreet invested 12,000 at a certain rate of interest compounded annually for 2 years and received on rupees 17280. Find the rate of interest. So here says that he invested 12,000 which is principal and in return the total amount he got is 17280. Let's take the ratios. Principal to amounts ratio for compound interests. Here 0 cancel, 12 100 times 12 1 times 12 and 52 means 4 times and 4 times. This will be 4 25 times and 4 3 times and 6 times. Now we got the ratios of principal to amount for the compound interest for 2 years. So for 1 year the interest will be, this is a 5 square and this is 6 square. So interests are in the ratio of 5:6. Now the question asked is find the rate of interest. So this is principal, this is amount, means the interest we got is 1 part out of 5. So into 100 which is nothing but the rate. So we got a 20% as our answer. So answer will be option D, 20%. Now we are going to see question number 3. An article is marked up 20% above its cost price. So let's say take a cost price 100, marked price is 20% more means 120. If the cost price of the article is 1850, so 100 parts is nothing but 1850 and it is sold at 14% profit. So selling price is 114. So the discount given from market price is 10% value is 12. 12 half times will be 6. 6 means 5% discount is given. 5% value is nothing but 6. 120 minus 6 will be 114. So 5% is given for this one. Now the question asked is find the discount offered on the article. So we need to find the value which is 5% value. This 5% on market price. Let's see, 100 parts value is 1850. Then we need to find 120 parts value which will be 0 cancel, 12 5 times 60, 12 8 times 96 102. So 12 1 times 12 plus this one will be 2220. So this is nothing but 2220. Now we need to find the value of 5% of this one which will be 10% is 222, 5% value will be 111. So answer will be 111, option B is our answer. Next, fourth question. The total time taken by a boat to cover 600 kilometers downstream is 40 hours. So downstream m plus s equals to 600 divided by 40, which will be 15 kilometers per hour. We got this one. Next, and the total time taken by the boat to cover 720 kilometers upstream, m minus s equals to 720 divided by 80, which will be 9 kilometers per hour. So now the question asked is find the speed of the boat in still water. Asked about find the value of m. M value will be sum of these two divided by 2, which will be 24 divided by 2, 12. 12 kilometers per hour is our answer. So option A is the answer for this one. Now we are going to see question number 5. 10 men can complete a piece of work in 30 days, working 8 hours in a day. How many men are required to complete the work in 5 days, working 12 hours in a day? So 10 men, 30 days, working 8 hours. Another thing, how many men required to complete the work in 5 days, working 12 hours a day? So for this we'll do 5, 2 times 2, 6 times 6, 5 times. So what we left is 5 8 times. 40 men are required. So answer will be 40. Option B is our answer. Next question. Sixth one. 6 boys or 4 girls can complete your work in 30 days. Find the time taken by 9 boys plus 14 girls to complete the same work. Here let's take this as 3b equals to 2g. 3 times to 2 times. So 3b equals to 2g. So instead of 9b we can write 6g. 6 plus 14, which will be 20g. 20 girls can complete in how many days? We have 4 girls can complete the whole work in 30 days is given in the question. So here 0 0 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, g and g cancel. We left with 3 2 times, which will be 6. So answer will be 6 days. So option A is our answer. Now we are going to see question number 7. Question number 7 is the upstream speed of the boat is 16 kilometers per hour. Means m minus s value is 16 kilometers per hour. If the boat can travel 280 kilometers downstream in 14 hours, means m plus s value equals to 280 divided by 14, which will be 20 kilometers per hour. Find the speed of the current. So we need to find the value of s. S value will be difference between these two divided by 2, which will be 4 divided by 2, 2 kilometers per hour. So answer is 2 kilometers per hour. So option C is the answer for 7th question. Next, a certain sum triples itself when it invested at R percentage per annum simple interest for 16 years. Find the value of R. We already seen this type of question in the yesterday's class. Talking about triples, simple interest, and given a rate and years, the formula will be RT equals to n minus 1 into 100. Here the question asked is find the value of R. So we don't know the value of R. Time is given as 16 years. How many times it multiplied is 3 times it triples. So 3 is the n minus 1 into 100. So we get 2 into 100 to 8 times, 4 2 times and 4 25 times. So R value will be 25 divided by 2, which will be 12.5 is the answer. So option C is answer for 8th question. Now we are moving to question number 9. So 2 articles were sold at 1500 each. So 1500 SP1 and another also same 1500 SP2. Next, the profit received on one article is equal to loss incurred on a second article. So profit of first one is equals to loss of second one. Profit is nothing but SP minus CP. means this will be CP minus SP. Okay. If the cost price of the first article is 600 less than the second article, so cost price of the first article is 600 less than the second article. So it is given that like this, CP2 equals to CP2 minus CP1, which will be 600. So this is the statement that is given in the question. Here we have SP1 minus CP1 equals to CP2 minus SP2. SP1 value is 1500 minus CP1 equals to CP2 minus 1500. 1500 comes this side with the 1500 plus 1500, 3000 equals to CP2 plus CP1. So we have CP2 plus CP1 value and CP2 minus CP1 value. So now the question asked is find the cost price of the article which is sold at loss. Sold at loss means SP2 is sold at loss. So CP2 value we need to find. Here in both the cases CP2 is positive. So what we do is the sum of these two divided by 2 will be the CP2 value, which will be 3600 divided by 2, 1800. 1800 is the answer. So our option will be option D. Next we are going to see question number 10. The average of 17 numbers is 45. So 45 into 17 is the total. If the average of first 7 numbers is 50, so 750 times, which will be 350. Let's see this, 17 5 times 85 and 17 4 times 68 and this one 765. Subtracting 350 will be 514, 415 is left. And the average of the last 7 numbers is 40. 740 times will be 280. So subtracting 280, we left with 5, 3 and 1, 135. Now it is said that if the ratio of the 8, 9 and 10th numbers are 2:5:2, find the 9th number. This is the 8th number is in the ratio of 2. This is 5 and this is 2. Now says that find the value of 5 parts value. Total 9 parts. 9 parts value is 135 means 1 part value will be 15. 9 15 times. So 1 part value will be 15. 15 5 times, which will be 75. So answer will be 75. Option A is our answer. So that's all for today. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon. And must do watch the remaining practice classes that I have uploaded in today's practice playlist. Thanks for watching.